we're in the Renault Zoe ZE R90. Great car with a 40 kilowatt hour battery, has a good range. It's a very nice car. It's very nice for AHM to lend me this car for 3 days. I'm very excited. I drove this car before and I love it. What's next? Well, I already have the okay to pick up the Hyundai Ioniq. I already had it in the summer. It's a great car. It was my favorite car when it comes to fun driving. And they say I can pick it up in the next few weeks on a weekend. And I just have to see when I have time for that. So I'm excited about that. And in March, I already have the okay from a Nissan dealership for the Leaf 2, which has the new 40 kilowatt hour battery and with the new design. I'm looking forward to that. I tried to get a BMW i3, but they couldn't care less about me. They wrote back with a question, and then next time when I explained to them what I wanted to do, I got no message back, and I did that 2 times. So they selling cars, they don't need me. What I wanted to do is apologize for the e-Golf videos that I was a bit too negative with the car. There were a few reasons for that. First of all, I'm not a big fan of VW, and then I was at the dealership picking up the car, and they were a bit rude and they were weird with how many kilometers I'm allowed to drive, and they only let me drive 300 kilometers. And for an electric car to test it, to test charging, to see the consumption, that's not a lot. I know, again, they're losing money for giving me this car because there are more kilometers on the car and then it's not worth as much. But I had 4 cars from different dealerships, and they all were like, come on, go drive, it's fine, doesn't matter. So I was a bit cranky because of that. The whole car, it has great power, it feels great driving, but the battery was too small and the consumption was too high, and so the car wasn't as much fun as I wanted it. And again, I wanted to apologize for the negativity. I was a bit too harsh with the car.